One tiny airport mistake, and suddenly you're watching your 5,000 vacation sail away without you. Ask me how I know. If you're a responsible adult, you've probably seen Carl, you know the one, holding up that TSA line because he forgot his water bottle, or fighting with a gate agent over a bag that's clearly too big. Today, I'm giving you the exact airport systems we use to move from the terminal chaos to total calm. So stick around for mistake number 5, because it's the one mistake that actually gets people banned from their favorite airlines. Ask me how I know. Most people let airport chaos ruin their vacation before they even step foot on the plane. It's loud, it's confusing, and it feels like the systems are designed to make you fail. Bless it. But you're a responsible adult. You don't do chaos, you do systems. So let's get into it. Rule number 1, the digital lifeline mistake. The spicy truth: if your only copy of your boarding pass is on your phone and your battery hits 1%, you are officially a chaos magnet. We're looking at you, Carl. The system is print the paper. Just do it. Tuck it into your passport cover. It doesn't need a charger, it doesn't need Wi Fi, and it doesn't fail when you're standing at the front of a line of 200 people. Systematize your sanity. Always have the analog backup. Rule number 2, the TSA tray trap. Spicy truth: never, I mean never, place your loose passport or phone in a TSA tray. One bump on that conveyor belt and your identity is sliding into a gap that you can't reach. The system, you say? Everything goes into the bag before you hit the belt. Your phone, your watch, your passport, all zipped into a dedicated security pocket in your carry-on. You should walk through that scanner with empty pockets and zero stress. Rule number 3, the wait and see gate game. The spicy truth: most people wait for the boarding notification to sound overhead for the gate. By the time you get there, the overhead bins are full and your system is a total mess. The system, you say? We arrive at the gate 15 minutes before boarding starts. Not to stand in line, bless it, yes, but to verify the gate hasn't changed. Airport design is a maze. You don't let it win. Ask me how I know. We've sprinted across Terminal D more times than I care to admit. And ask Mr. Knows how he knows. Anyway, quick pause. Listen, if navigating the airport feels like a full-time job that you didn't apply for, check the link in the description. We have a free airport day checklist that walks you through every single step from your front door to the airplane seat. Also, we host private group trips where we handle the airport logistics for you. If you want the calm without the work, join our community below. Now, rule number 4, the clothing pattern interrupt. The spicy truth is stop wearing complicated clothes to the airport. If it has a belt, 3 zippers, and requires a PhD to take off, you're the reason the line is slow. It's giving earthquake level stress in the middle of security line. So the system is wear the uniform, slip on shoes, no belt, and layers you can peel off in 3 seconds. You should be through that scanner before the person behind you even has their shoes off. Rule number 5, the medication mandate. Spicy truth: I've said it before and I'll say it again. Check bags are for clothes, carry-ons are for lives. If your life-saving meds are in the belly of the plane, you're playing a dangerous game. So the system is keep a 3-day supply in your pocket, not just your bag, your pocket. if the plane is diverted or the bags go to Bali while you're in Idaho, you stay calm because you have your system. Airport life doesn't have to be a nightmare. When you have a system, you're the one sitting at the gate with the coffee while everyone else is in a panic. That's the calm that you paid for. If this helped you, hit that like button and drop your biggest airport peeve in the comments. Is it the loud talkers or is it the line cutters? Let's talk about it. No chaos, just adventure. And we'll see you on the next hosted trip.